In this video, I will show you how to fix Monopoly code not compatible with this device. So step number 1, update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Monopoly game installed on your device. Step number 2, check system requirements. Verify that your device meets minimum requirements for running Monopoly game. Number 3, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve compatible issues. Turn off your device completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once the device is back on, attempt to launch the Monopoly game again. Number 4, clear cache and data. If the game continues to have compatible problems, try clearing the cache and data associated with the Monopoly app. Step number 5, reinstall the game. Uninstall the Monopoly game from your device and then reinstall it. Step number 6, contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the issues, reach out to the game's customer support. Visit the game's official website or check the App Store for contact information. Explain the problem you are experiencing and provide the details about your device model and operating system version. This support team may be able to provide a further assistance or suggest a solution specific to your situation.